his incredibly stupid friends.
Aber das natürlich eine Gefahrensituation, die jetzt dort heraufbeschworen wurde.
What an asshole, guys.
Please don't pull out in front of me. 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 Please don't pull out in front of me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna do what's called a BMW driver move.
Putain.
Okay.
Hello?
He's about to do something stupid.
What are you doing?
Mi scusi.
Starring the Florida Man.
This is the police.
Jetzt wieder Achtung außen. Wer bleibt länger auf dem Gas? Mein lieber Mann, vorbei.
Das ist ja sensationell.
Don't you speak English?
What is this?
You had one job.
Just the one.
Do you know how many fucking car lengths it takes to stop a car at 35 miles an hour? 10 car lengths.
Himmels Willen. Meine Güte.
Stop! Yes, that's it!
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works. Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? It's a fucking Supra!
Ow! That was loud!
I am the hero.
Yes!
Are you stupid or something?
Left lane hog from Tennessee. La 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 la.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
They are firing.
Thank you. Thank you. I love you.
This is a Fiat 500, and that is intentional. Just like before, this car is also a Fiat 500, and that is also a Fiat 500. And there's more Fiat 500, of course. And just like before, basically a Fiat 500. This is a Fiat 500 Abarth. This is also a Fiat 500. This thing is the most fun you're ever gonna have.
Just stop.
Woohoo! Yeah! Ha ha ha!
Well, why don't you use your fucking blinker? Combo breaker! Ultra combo!
Absolutely awesome. Absolutely phenomenal.
That's fucking illegal.
Sie sind bei Rot gefahren. 400 € kostet das.
Okay, alright.
Making the driving experience more pleasant here. And this is even more noticeable when cycling because you're not dealing with hyper-aggressive impatient jerks every time you encounter a car.
We intend to drive straight ahead, so after looking left and right for traffic on the major road, we drive on.
Schickimicki könnt ihr zu Hause machen!
Holy shit, is that a Supra?
Oh! Is that a Supra? What Supra?
Is that a Supra?